Hey guys, so I'm Joanna. If you never knew me from the first video of the brain, so I'm Joanna. Yeah, today we're gonna keep on going of learning about our brain. So this is the second one. We're gonna review, of course, reviewing. Sorry, let me just go here. Okay, day two. Day two is gonna be parts of the brain. So over here. As you see over here, there's a hippocampus, cerebrum, the prefrontal cortex, and amygdala, cerebellum, and neurons. We're gonna keep on talking about the neurons later, so right now we're not actually gonna talk about them. We're not actually gonna talk about it for this video, but maybe for the next video, we're gonna talk about it, okay? Oops. Sorry. Okay. So remember the last time we said about the I said scientists used to take one part does different jobs. So see, if I'm really good at art, scientists a long time ago. It's not actually now. So scientists used to think that if I loved art, I would keep on doing art, and then they think that I'll focus on this. I'll focus on this part, so this part's working harder than this part. If I really into math or science, they would think your left hemisphere would be it. So these two are actually working together. The whole brain is working together. So I'm gonna actually sing you this song. It's kind of like head. So maybe you can sing along with me of the head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, right? But this one is the opposite. It's about the brain. So let me sing it to you. Frontal, occipital, parietal, temporal. Frontal, occipital, parietal, temporal. We're actually just gonna do one part, okay? We're actually only gonna do one part this time. We're first gonna do one part, and then we'll do the other, okay? So first we're only gonna do this part. The frontal, occipital, parietal, temporal, that part. And then we're gonna add in this part of the stuff that it does, okay? Like the decisions. So first it's called frontal, occipital, parietal, temporal. Try to sing with me. Frontal, occipital, parietal, temporal. So I'll show you, okay? So this part, okay? So I'll be using colors to show you which one's which. So frontal is over here. This is the frontal. I'm gonna use red. And then occipital is the yellow. You can see now, right? Since all of these words are both actually the same, right? You can see by the color of the words, so you know where it is and where it's not. So frontal, occipital, parietal, temporal. So decisions is this one, right? Decisions go with the frontal. The vision goes with this one, occipital. Reading goes to the parietal, and memory goes to the temporal. Remember last time? So right now we're actually reviewing. We're just singing a song so you can remember these things, okay? And your brain, get it? And your brain, and you're trying to remember. So your memory is right now in the temporal. See? Cool. So now we're gonna add it. So frontal, occipital, parietal, temporal, frontal, occipital, parietal, temporal, decision, vision, reading, memory, frontal, occipital, parietal, temporal. So you can pause this video and try to sing it along, okay? So this one is what does it does? So the frontal, see when we say the frontal, so the frontal is for like problem solving and personality and creative thinking. This is really like thinking. Your frontal is for thinking, okay? So temporal is for the memories. So maybe you could like draw a little picture of the brain, or you could write it down in a notebook. That's good. You could do that too. And try to remember the parts and try to sing that song a lot of time. So since I'm trying to go quicker, so it's okay, you can pause the video, okay? So brain stem. It's actually for basic life functions. So like if you did have your brain stem, you will be like, the brain stem is actually control of your like your breathing and your heart pumping. So like if you did have that brain stem, you're like, oh no, I forgot to breathe, or oh no, I forgot to pump my heart. But the brain stem helps you control that and you don't need to worry. Parietal, vision functions, reading, understanding, and language. Okay? Got it? Occipital lobe. There's a hawk there because the occipital lobe is control of your vision. Cerebellum. Cerebellum is balance, coordination, motor learning. So every single part of the brain has one job to do, okay? So first we're gonna see if this works. We're gonna watch a little video. Sorry.
Come on, get ready, let's start the show. Your brain parts are raring to go.
This is just a video to show you like the parts, okay?
Neuroplay Adventures is our game, and the star of the show is your brain. Working together like birds of a feather. Meet the parts of your brain. Learn their funny names, what they do, and how they help you. Meet the parts of your brain. Cerebellum helps you dance and
Cerebellum.
walk. Cerebral cortex helps you sing and talk. Amygdala helps you laugh and cry. Brainstem helps you breathe.
Amygdala, okay?
Understanding by. Meet the parts of your brain. Meet cerebral and nidal cortex. They are your hosts and like to boast when you plan or sing or draw or think. Your cerebral cortex is the link. Meet the parts of your brain working together like birds of a feather. Meet the parts of your brain. Learn their funny names, what they do, and how they help you. Meet the parts of your brain. When you ride a bike or tie your shoes, or you swing so high you see the sky. When you keep your balance on a bike, or you dance or run, or take a hike, each your cerebellum helping you. Meet the parts of your brain.
So remember, the amygdala is control of your emotions. That's why the doggy, as if you can see my pointer right here, this doggy has a sign of happy and a sign of sad. That means it's a control of your emotions. The brainstem, remember, it controls of your heartbeat and your breathing, so you don't need to worry. Hippocampus, we don't really, so the hippocampus is first the hippocampus first has the memories, and then when the hippocampus can't feel that much memories, it will go into your temporal lobe. Got it? So remember, there's the right hemisphere and the left hemisphere. So actually, it's actually kind of split in half.
Hippocampus helps you remember all those funny names. Cerebellum, amygdala, cerebral cortex, and brainstem. Meet the parts of your brain. When you're feeling scared, sad, or blue, you're surprised when someone yells, "Oh!" You feel happy about something you do. It's your amygdala helping you meet the parts of your brain. The brainstem's work is never done. The other brain parts have all the fun. Swallowing the food that you eat, counting the hearts every beat. Meet the parts of your brain. Let's say their funny names. Cerebellum, amygdala, cerebral cortex, and brainstem. And don't forget the hippocampus. Meet the parts of your brain. Working together like birds of a feather. Meet the parts of your brain. Learn their funny names, what they do, and how they help you. Meet the parts of your brain. Meet the parts of your brain. Learn their funny names, what they do, and how they help you. Meet the parts of your brain.
So now it's the end. So just saying, just remember these stuff, okay? So your brain is here at your forehead, and then your brain stem goes all the way to over here at your neck, right over here. So then it goes into like your spine, and then it can start sending messages all over your body. So we're just gonna wrap up now. So bye. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you can come for the other video tomorrow.